Let's make education fun.
Replace classroom boredom with an engaging and meaningful learning run.
Numerous students grapple with school boredom, which can stem from the factors like insufficient challenge, learning differences, mental health issues, or lack of interest in the subject. Alternatively, some find it challenging to endure the prolonged period of test time.
However, certain educators start to bring the students' enthusiasm by employing an innovative and effective learning technique.
The researchers are curious by the potential effect of monocorting as a learning tool.
Therefore, the researchers undertook a comprehensive study entitled Rollover 3, Localizing Innovative Learning Tool in Science Subject.
A pleasant afternoon to everyone, especially to our dear panelists and to our co-researchers that are present today. I am Shainer Salas, and together with my co-researchers, Mr. Carl Jasper Lacorte and Mrs. Pele Luño, we are here to present our research chapters 1 to 5.
Education pertains to the discipline focused on learning and teaching methods in formal settings like schools. It holds immense importance in our lives as it serves the key for the future success and opens door to countless opportunities.
According to Al-Shwaibi 2014, education develops human personality, thoughts, dealing with others, and prepares people for life experiences.
One of the problems of students that encounter is indicate learning due to boredom in the class. The main cause of student boredom in the class is perceived lack of interest in the subject being taught.
Numerous studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of certain teaching strategies in improving the students' academic performance.
To enhance students' interest and engagement, the researchers adopted a creative solution, the rollover tool. This innovative learning tool is specifically designed for classroom activities like recitation. The ring has been enhanced with modern-day elements and mechanics. Additionally, it has been given the name rollover tool, derived from the surnames of the researchers, Ro for Rosales, La for Lanuño, Q for Aquino, and ORT for Lacorte. The researchers aim to determine if the rollover tool is an innovative and effective learning tool in science subject.
Next is the research paradigm. This study was conducted utilizing the input process output model as its framework, where the input consists of specific materials such as wood, steel ring, string, iron screw, hammer, nails, and spray. The process encompasses the step-by-step procedure in making the rollover train. And finally, the output is entitled Rollover Train, a localized and innovative learning tool in science subject.
And next, the statement of the problem. The statement of the problem is the short descriptions that the researchers need to be addressed. Not to discuss with you the problem statement or the specific questions the researchers wants to answer. The first one is the physical characteristics of rollover tree in terms of dimension and color. The second one is what are the perceived effectiveness of rollover tree in terms of engagement, understanding scientific concept, retention of scientific concept, innovative features, and cost of effectiveness. And now let's proceed to the chapter 3, the research methodology. To start, the researchers employed developmental research